Is it rolling?
Yeah, it's rolling.
Alright.
Okay, don't kill us. Were you in snow and ice before?
No, I just checked to see if we were in the right mode. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
I don't know. I never look at the speed. Yeah, you don't need coffee with this car.
Yeah, no. Good thing we switched, because I definitely would not have done that. But
still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Okay, good.
But take it easy on this.
Yeah, no,
I don't want to wrap it around a tree.
Yeah, this one was bad.
That was wild, man.
Yeah.
I think I felt you do that in the C63 or something like that, but it was not as
violent, yeah. Yeah, the C63 is very like controllable. Not that this isn't, but it's like a different beast.
You see, it looks like it's starting to get like all corrupt.
Oh, it's bad now?
I'm just gonna... This guy saw you and he's...
Make sure you're recording now, because there's a nice turn.
It says it's recording.
Okay. Yeah, so now you'll see up here with the road how bad it gets. You'll see like how it's just not meant for like everyday driving. Look.
Yeah, that's steady. I'm gonna try and save this.
Yeah.
The record button's on the top of the GoPro. Can you press
on
it?
the right?